Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 28th of July. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking wet at times and unsettled for the rest of the week. And we've got a developing tropical system to deal with out in the Atlantic. Very interesting system. So let's go right to it. There's the upper air look across the country today. The ridge a little weaker across the deep south with a trough north of the state. That's beating down the ridge a little bit, opening the door for more showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the week. There's the visible satellite view about 2 o'clock, and you can see it's partly sunny with scattered storms across the state. That was the radar at 2:16. The more active storms across South Alabama, but a few decent downpours in progress over the north, and I think tomorrow the radar should be much more active than what we're seeing out there today. But looky here, good to see. Temperatures only in the 80s in many spots. In fact, we have 77 for Alexander City with rain falling there. Birmingham at 87, and highs will likely stay in the 80s each day for the rest of this week, which of course is below average for the end of July. There's the watch warning map across the country. Heat advisories on the Atlantic coast from around Myrtle Beach up toward Cape Cod. A flash flood watch for southeast Louisiana and coastal Mississippi, parts of Oklahoma and South Dakota. And out west, we have excessive heat warnings for parts of the deserts of Arizona and California, and also red flag warnings for parts of Oregon and Idaho for wildfire danger. Marginal risk of severe storms through tonight on the upper Atlantic coast and over parts of Wisconsin around Milwaukee. Tomorrow, got marginal risks to the north of us, and on day 3, which is Thursday, a marginal risk over parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. Rain for the next 7 days, heavier totals in a band from near Tulsa and Wichita over to Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina. In Alabama, the heavier totals for the northern half of the state. This is suggesting average amounts between 2 and 3 inches, about 1 inch for the southern half of the state between now and Tuesday morning of next week. And in the tropics, a well-organized tropical system, probably a depression by the time you watch this, is approaching the Lesser Antilles. This will be called Tropical Storm Isaias as it moves towards the west-northwest. Here's the official track from the Hurricane Center. They bring this as a tropical storm across the Leeward Islands tomorrow, around Puerto Rico tomorrow night, skirting the northern coast of Hispaniola Thursday night, then up into the Bahamas Saturday, and maybe the center could be over parts of South Florida by Sunday. And notice along the entire path over the next 5 days, the Hurricane Center keeps this thing under hurricane strength. Here's a look at modeling, and again, you can see that there should be a northward turn in this in about 144 hours. And of course, where that turn happens will determine the impact on Florida, the Bahamas, and the east coast of the United States. This is the GFS ensemble output. And notice now we've got some outliers over in the Eastern Gulf. Most members have it in the Atlantic. The mean, which is the black line, brings it up through the Florida Peninsula, then up into the eastern part of the Carolinas, then hooking back out to sea. And again, there's just great uncertainty. Until this thing gets a low-level center and we have better data, it's going to be kind of a crapshoot at this point, just something to watch. But it will be fighting some shear. This is the intensity guidance. You can see most models maintain this as a tropical storm through 5 days without reaching hurricane strength. The main impact would be heavy rain. But as we all know, in this kind of environment where the water's awfully warm and the shear relaxes, you can have rapid intensification. So we'll be watching this one carefully over the next few days, but odds are fairly high this will not directly affect Alabama. So here we go, model fans. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Got an upper low well to the north, and again for us, a very soupy tropical air mass. So the day should be mostly cloudy, showers and thunderstorms likely, highs only in the mid-80s. Really the same thing on Thursday, a lot of clouds around with a few showers and thunderstorms likely. Friday, the same thing. Really for the northern half of the state, showers more active. Then for the weekend, this is Saturday and this is Sunday, evident showers thinning out by Sunday. But still, even then, we'll mention a chance of at least scattered showers and storms. Highs for the weekend, probably 87 to 90. Next week on Monday, a mix of sun and clouds, a few scattered showers and storms. And a week from today, Tuesday, the 4th of August, pretty good-looking trough coming in here. And again, that's going to push the deeper moisture onto the east if this verifies. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, August 7th. Heights coming up a little bit, and again, that looks pretty typical for summer. Partly sunny, a few scattered storms, highs around 90. No sign of any excessive heat. And by that, we mean upper 90s or hotter anytime soon. Hopefully for the rest of the summer. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS Ensemble, the mean about 1.5 inches, and I wouldn't be shocked if some folks had more than that. Highs mostly in the 80s through Tuesday of next week, then low 90s after that, lows in the 70s. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook. This is for August 5th through August 11th, showing temperatures near or below average for much of the Deep South. And that's not too bad. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.